A friend said that my earlier video left a lot to be desired. Another said that it wasn't up to scratch. And I wondered why they had to use euphemism to talk to me. Why couldn't they tell me bluntly that my video wasn't up to the mark? Welcome viewers to a new episode. In this episode, we are going to talk about euphemisms. Euphemisms are polite terms that we use instead of harsh or blunt words so as not to offend people. If I say, I had to kill my dog, it sounds awful, makes me sound like a murderess. But then, if I say, I had to put my dog to sleep, or I had to euthanize my dog because he was suffering, it makes me sound humane. And that is the power of euphemisms. With the help of euphemisms, we can avoid using words with negative connotation. We can talk about taboo and sacred subjects. People with learning difficulties are called intellectually disabled, and those with physical impairments are referred to as physically disabled. Blind are called visually challenged or partially sighted, and deaf have hearing impairments. We sometimes use euphemisms also to make something sound better. Like poor people are called economically disadvantaged or underprivileged. Poor nations are referred to as developing, emerging, or third world countries. We can use correctional facility instead of jail, or substandard housing instead of slums. The old man was clearly tired and emotional when he left the party. What do you think it means? It means he was drunk. Sometimes it is very difficult to call somebody a liar directly. It is quite rude. But then, if we say that the politician was being economical with the truth, or that he was stretching the truth, it makes it sound prettier. Correct? An unemployed man can also be said as a man who is in between jobs, or the one that I like the most is that he is undergoing a career transition. Thank you for watching this episode. If this episode has been beneficial for you, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comments in the comments section. Bye. See you in the next episode. And now, excuse me, I'll go and powder my nose.